wanya. Pito mene no more. My drink. The video, guys. Let's go. Happy Sunday to you guys. What's up? How are you? Share the video, guys. Let's go there. Happy Sunday. What's up? And I want to see you. Everywhere they clap at social media they clap at go. Everywhere just they clap. Everywhere they clap at Some people say their country they clap at. Some women talk say, they say their country clapate, man, Oh boy, let me have food, man. I say. Oh yeah. Greetings to every one of you guys watching this broadcast who are most to talk for national peace to reign. As you all know, this is the social media king, the social media Kubana, the social media Otutunomunawa, the social media Emiwa, the social media Akobisi, Ruda. Era Yanosi Kakobisi rock by milk, but more baba with the smart. I just do my drink. I want you. When you boy. All right, my lovely people, greetings to you all. I don't still come again. I don't come again. No. Man, also me know they come with small things, or they come with big things in the morning. Oh God. Now, it's so unfortunate to say. Now me they give them food the shop for media. And I'm so proud about it. I'm so happy about it. Say yes, without me, social media beneath about space go to sleep. You understand? If I just relax now, this people go to sleep. But this my phone with the hot so let's say I go do the way I do it. Do for just do. If I put them for you go the hot. Yeah, I chill on first. I'll open the door first. The cold breeze they enter the phone first because the phone is hot. Now, you see all those my children. they call them my children because they be really my children. I don't lie you. All of them when they watch, even see this people, they are my children. When I know my children for this media, so they be children, don't go talk to them. You understand? But I even see Basha, I go still look for trouble. Trouble where I go look for. I go do that one later. After this live, I go do one later. I'm trouble, I'll be trouble. Now disgrace, me and disgrace somebody. Not saying I like to find trouble where. Make I find me not fine. Me I find trouble. I'm not saying trouble where they find. And they get proof of my trouble. In case if you pass, be careful. Number one. Let me first of all talk to our brother, our senior man for the industry of music and the MC. You understand concerning the video where he do. Oh God. Hey. But people, you see this social media with this where you could make us they know some stupid people. Where with the respect would say when they come media, we say they be very stupid people. Their sense of reasoning is very low. This Facebook they make people know them. As far as everybody on camera, they talk. Then you can't know people who you see I don't know. So now senior man or chairman be this one. Why immediately we know where a chairman is bringing one. You understand? Now this media you go for no. Now this media you go for still also know see small picking where you think say you kind of bro forget this one no level. Now that one can't even get level pass. Now this media none of them day. Why am I saying this? Now the video where MC Papilo do concerning this club party. Every other people they do video. This guy what they call let's do video. I even post them for my YouTube channel. Let's he do video about this club party. When they grant interview for MC they call that man Easy Baba. I listen to uptake about a club party. It's all about damage control. You understand? It's all about damage control. They just try to do damage control. We are waiting they pay me for this whole issue now of this club party where they talk now. Not be saying me and the day against us. I don't mind. I say we all these musicians, DSMC, when they come and they talk about club party, now they make the old people not call it verse. Now even they make the presenter not call it verse. Now they make people they look stupid because of our selfish interest, because of that greediness. Now they bring down ourselves because of money. Because of our business, we'll be see that because our women they give our money. Oh yes. Now women they feed you now women they give you money. That's why you guys now choose to defend the horrible ways we're gonna use against women. I'm gonna share this video. I go play on my brother video. Most of these musicians and these so-called MC or whatever the entertainer who are talking about this club party, they are trying to do damage control because they know say if this thing pass like this and this thing that they pass because of this damage control now, this thing must it go viral and it go affect all musicians. This thing when they look like play so instead when I go you keep quiet when I go for your dance house what you want to talk you don't talk relax yourself, no ground any interview born who want to talk make they talk when they grand interview when they grand now they cause a lot of problem because we were know what to be club party. We gonna think so they look us like fool. We want to tell the world the truth.
Hello.
I must greet you.
Baba la domo baba. Labize. Happy Sunday.
What off we outside.
Baba wa bere me kala klapate na imagwan yo kedra de machi we iwa e ko dam yo e ban mi kume la baba niwe ni gwan yo kere domo.
Go ahead.
Domo baba. Muki sun ma omo wi go fian jo no because nene mi o wa di me ma baba yi prima we. Na ya sun mata na o dame. Baba yi to ri ma we ike pa o wa re ike la egbo ike la webo. Klapate is my second name in Nigeria. You understand? Klapate is my second name in Nigeria. In my agbo geno. When the meaning of klapate? Ute yawo, u different de ute yawo baba, ute yawo klapate so far. Uma get efo ni wata video. E klapate baba. Wawo se raro, wawo se na ro. O se na te mi ogie. O emi na ni no tani ona ka body yen we. Ona ka body yen we si we ko. Ugbogi awe. Oh, I beg my toto de klapate. You understand? Any my agbogi wo wani fin na ri Nigeria. Ito ri ma baba, ito ri ma we. Any my agbogi o wano. O wana grete no ka body yen we. E mata ni una ga we e na ni ri yen ogie na ri agbon ya. Oh, ugbogi we. Oh, my toto de klapate. Okpia use oko use ofa ori ni sanu mana no tai na ubege mi opa baba manore webo na mostly ikonore webo iyan awan mi opa they go like to bring that person down e klapate ete me down because guy owan iyan we awe me down in Nigeria manore webo na have a tie we yes even yan wona magba ori klapate na baba is me we emi na rin we ogie imi ona temi no ri we imi na ya gbogie ni kin o emi ogie no na kiri kapatupa ehwe bo yen no fie weri ewe ikoyan gugun a yi to ri ma o baba anu la ohonore we bo mi na ni de kan ma na ro ma ye we bo are use e wo wa na why use e ka bo we dey use that na snaps of our do suno we bo na they want you to kill that guy career. Usaoba career, baba itore because emina na down. I see who video dokpa orana ti o we oran iguan baba people people love that words. People pick inspiration for that place. Ube gadu so no matter now what igwe ugbo ekanwa guy ake mwe o ma ye vine do ma vine ko area why am view adewebo iyan awon eni kere yin wa mu gogogo we na dey run it things we do we na dey aruwe do na run it things why we this one na common words na bieka ihu okpia use in Nigeria. You understand baba? Yeah. Ebe to fa enu edo atana we emission no redo iyan do awe damage control oni me do are oni me mo na because the matter na okeke no te wu ne matter na okeke no te wu ne na emission na lajana to do damage control kapate wagugun emi roto emi no so kapate na o roto wa magwa kai wa maladen wa lajana Wamaladan musician wamaladan no waladan esta rove musician redo rove manorewebo wamaladan wa video veni ani wa video kapate na fa we so kapate na e ba musician redo e ba wa iwe video kan esta na rove manorewebo wa ma we video kan oni o me ma ba you understand baba o wa no ina we contribute your domo no one agree to baba.
Thank you Ato. Off with me.
Domo no one.
Mama you be. All right. That is a Dawesi point of view. No, you know, see, Klapate, it is different dimension. Me, I support Osai on man for that word we talk. Forget if I say women the badger. That word Osai no talk to. A month outside. A matter away. We equally buwe we boya Klapate. We equally buwe we bu tinya Klapate. Yao is way or Klapate. When no man de kunku Klapate, no begogo, walking hata where why go to other country. You as a man, we don't like woman, you don't bug my way point the Klapate. You gonna see that thing without my guy man talk so now truth he talk. But we are for the vest now. Where did whole thing go viral? It go viral. This matter not go quench until all these musicians they stop their damage control. This matter for that supposed to come for media. And because of this so-called media, musicians, MC, then they come the talk, Klapate, ma minimi rokba, who are gozoma he? Klapate minimi. Ude area will not grow. It's not serious with here. People where they die, they go know the meaning of that snacks. Omedia when I grow, it's not so we are how we don't mean anyone the reason it's not in every take for example. Now beneath all of us did. If you date a go, if guy man for a go they give you snacks, it go different from the one way person way they for will see go they give you. Person way they for upper go they give you no mayo. If no mayo people waiting for no mayo squad, all those a car. They do their snacks. It is the difference. Now, do you know say Klapate when talk so? Now normal snacks will be say everybody they use normally. So they use and say I'm to the Klapate. But in a man, in not be woman. Now matter na in talk. But it gets to kind place where you go area where you go. Now they use on the Tizuma. How many that one a person that one way to the Klapate? I don't know kind that one a person. We don't wait to talk to the Klapate. Only go only be you know. That one for Bini that year. You know, say most of our men for Bini we get mats. Bini men get mats. God just use them and bless Bini people. They get mats, they get real boys we group for street get orientation of snacks to change things. You understand? You know, they watch me here now. You get some countries we go up, I go say, oh looku. Ask, it gets people, it gets squad where they talk that matter. Even when I did Verona, we know ourselves where they make that statement. Oh, looku, Igwa Beavenu, Awilu, Locomotive Moscow. You understand? Or permission extension. Now matter go shop where you go bring that word come. And if you bring that word come, men go like fall laugh. It's funny. But people will get that IQ, that orientation, not wait till you talk. You understand? You just be like, your shop now, say, oh, looku. Now, take for example, I see me and one woman they talk. They listen to me and one woman they yarn. As we they talk. So they ask the woman, say, Mama, how far? What's the way? We don't talk, we don't go far for the talking. Now I come ask and say, wait to tell me how many children you get. She says 6 children. Then she did now for Europe. One they has making it 7 children. Now I shout, oh looku. He say, which one be Oluku again? Which one be Oluku? Now I say, Mama, where you are? You understand? He say, I don't understand why you are. You know where? Wagwali kunongele kulu wale Oluku. You understand? Oluku, we are Oluku. We are so Oluku. You go see many people where we corrupt when they do all the show for streets. You understand? It gets a kind of where you go see, you go shout, oh Oluku. He was an enemy. But you get 7 children, 5 fathers. 7 children, 5 fathers, and she's 38 years. Now I shout, oh, look, we came by 45 years, we are 10. You understand? And we even boyfriend away now, we even say, now I holla, oh, look. Now the woman say, well, look at me. What we can't look on there? No, that way I'm not we very a boy can. She said she gave belly at the age of 17 years. Oh, yeah, mweku. You understand? So as they talk, as now shout, oh, look. Mera ya oh, look. Oh, we don't look, I don't look. Yeah, ma. You talking about Uriagbe. Very sorry to say. Where Uriagbe. 70 years we not be at the age of 18 years. The more you want this virgin. Oh, look. You understand? So, different snacks with different meaning. You understand? So, normal people have to just see that and say, oh, look. Oh, look. Yeah. Oh, look. I can't know. You understand? I can't know. Make gates. You understand? You see? But we when they use that snack for streets, we know what that snacks mean. If I forget that girl now look forget that one now look. You understand? If you catch upper mission extension, and they use a look upper mission extension, I read me okay, me get no upper mission extension, logo or logo. So that's not so basically they use for streets. Now, this is a clapate where they clapate everywhere. So, Agbo yo sa matin me dan normally I see the repeatant or matin me dan. But avec musician on doit emphasize yo do try ni do damage control. No what worst is one not what the una go my brother, my friend. MC Papilo. MC Papilo wow we video now. No not be you for do this kind of video. No. Not a person like you for do this kind of video. Bro, forget the fact say you don't debut now. Because when street be really street, we married to Garabo. Yes. MC Papilo, the list now, a message to you. When street be really street for Bini, when men be really men for Bini, you de bongo, you de Yankee. You understand? When men be really men, you know what that mean? When men they house, when men they really run street for bongo, that yeah. Una de Yankee na, una de Yankee. We don't wanna, we have part on the road. We don't do better for one. Don't last you ni a bewe bonity. What is the ticket? No, if like that we why here we are getting what relax. We don't they do things like we don't know what they suffer for streets. Agbina community matter. Below see a community where ya made the wrong matter for streets. I back here on the street. We don't matter for streets. I back here yes at ya season in the streets. With the that time we that na community share matter. You understand? CDA my last year. I'm not one CDA. Is a chair. I make CDA can do last year. I got what we do. Una de Jan. So no one really know the meaning of orientation of streets. Not be kofra orientation different do or kofra get their orientation. You understand? Or kofra they get their orientation. This toto de klapati, not be kofra language you make me not the changer because I see one mugu. One there, they go one boy platform go to talk say na man fight get that rotation. What did they worry you? You can't talk with that one. I just look that person don't know warning him. Clap not be rotation of a kofra. Na normal guy man street talk boys with the street we prefer. I see my period normal level, my period the rush. That first talk now. But now, if I now say I see my period the rush. MC Papilo, are you not trying to tell me now, say, Ekiame, or what any, me? Take care of me, no. You see, most of my women, they know, say, if I tell my woman, I say, I see my period the rush, you know, say, he also not get money. One another, baby, only why you not come for us? Waruwa, so I know we are, we are here for any weekend, one last year, we baby, my period the rush. And it's my period. Oh, we go. You understand? Or him not me in a way, you go me. You but what do I use on me to myself? See, I not get money, my pocket don't empty. You understand? So now, MC Papilo, or I talk with my brother, a video no money, or my day yo, go make me video when now I don't analyze it anymore. You understand? If you don't matter your bros, I don't know when you or Munu when you oh, here we video. I was so disappointed hearing that video from you, sir. But yeah, that way, at least you will speak the truth as a man. As a man. If I play some audio for you, MC Papilo, about that video where you do so, we made a parrot for you. Me not but you understand the give me away. What worry man I? Even you tell na agrikpa. No we on do. You understand? I'm not there now. Now, let me play this your video. I said they go man. No matter what video can clapati. Let's listen to MC Papilo. Make una share the video.
Clapate, clapate, clapate. MC Papilo, de noi clapate. Okwono bio misenwe. Ome 6, ome 7. Oda funwe. Ona lubi ki boku video. Oga hi release ne. Odigwe ya hara wukan. Ogo wukan nuwa. You de clapate. Emi se we bi mo wukan. You still de clapate. That's party where mo nu bi ele bebune. O wukan you still de clapate. Clapate. South Americans, avec Venezuela, avec Ecuador, avec Argentina, il y en a des clapatina. Avien, négotier, à goukissi yogie. Avien no don yeye. Avien no enegbe, no biele mono enegbe, or clapatina.
MC Papilo don't fall out for Toto Clapate. Nekus Clapate matter when they go on. When Osai Noma essay with the musician talk. Since that very day when they talk that word, internet not green rest. Make a live on and make una listen to MC Papilo. As give it an opinion about
Clapate we have
Toto Clapate. Nekus Clapate. Wahala not too much. And also make una beg. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Clapate.
React
Gwama
to
mbie
Aproko matters.
Ebo. Guma. Okay, sir.
Why lobby kokono enekwe? Okone sap ne zorege badima. Okono mina. Wait, let me tell you one thing. Daddy kumamie. Okono ka bo like kuku, okono ka bo like kukuni. Okono ka bo lebai. Yambo like bed. Uwaga yambo like. Okono lebai most of them will like bed. No, I mean, my bed. Ubeso, Aproko like kukuni video. We no clap party. Only we na bona. That's why we win. Bona okay. Or clap party. Ebo, iye clapatinas. Wadomo.
See, you see this thing where they talk, so people don't carry and go one side. You know, sometimes in life, they say that they pray. Talk like a little bit, you know, show you the hear me now.
Clapate, clapate, clapate. MC Papilo, de noi clapate. Okwono bio misenwe. Ome 6, ome 7. Oda funwe. Ona lubi ki boku video. Oga hi release ne. Odigwe ya hara wukan. Ogo wukan nuwa. You de clapate. Emi se we bi mo wukan you.
Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh God. Now, my brother MC Papilo, I greet you with better style. Ana me klapate even it's nas na yati hono. Woti mare okbegion. Iye osano ma se we. What I where they are to the klapate. The sound dry guze get correct eh? Inyaro wodo. Because that language was used for rough girls. Rough girls. Now, because Sandra knew most of these women that came from the diaspora that came back home, they are married women. Sandra immediately corrects him, say, inyaro wodo. That means they are married women. And say, I mean, when you don't go to who clap party. Because the guy did not knew that Sandra was on live broadcast at that point. Or you know, my watch a video on MC Papilo. You need to go watch that video carefully. While a blogger don't watch it, you will know where a clap party mama get to him, man. Understand? What you watching with my brother? Hey, I give my head, be man. Okunore webu, don't roll water. Baba da me Okunore webu don't roll water. Not be me 7. According to you now, let me use your language now. According to you now, my brother MC Papilo. Okunore water no be me 7. Oda fanga gihuwe. Odigo yo akara. Kuni odigo yo da fanga akara we lave zeo. Oda fanga ya digo yo akara. Or with my wife. We were clapati. MC Papilo. Wow.
Franco, good morning.
I greet you, bros.
My brother, I'm
happy
asking where see Papilo Gui. Uno maybe a good time. A statement in the end low ni. A statement is trolling him. Or man no damn yo. A statement talking and igbition trolling ya gbiko yo. Ya dia if no man keken do a dia ni ko boy or wama.
Yes.
Nya me ya mi ya go. Abo boy vi bia yo bo. Eyin low ni. Because he was cooking every day, I make was 7 years. All the what does the way. Why go yo? I'm not very on it. I would have gone me go big wool. It have a troji. Yeah, I mean, no wrong give a big wall. I'm not at him, not at Yami.
Ouvion Gbeji. There, man, yeah, man, do you vien? It's our duty to change the narrative. They cannot deceive us. You understand? They cannot deceive us. Even ma, wagi ma ata we ma. Ohono kumbo azed no boy. One thing we understand, equal na ya zuo. It's gone of those days where they dwell in lies, because the men that was in abroad that time, they were all deceiving these women, lying to them. They make these women not understand the real fact of our life. But for a few years now, since 2016, 2015, what I did now, many women I don't hear. Shanty not they pay again. Igbo ike you go one another who I say go where so. Now they don't know what we have you don't know. You know dinner. I'm talking about the motor moon. I'm talking about the boa moon. Like those days. So when we see the right thing, say it, because the good legacy you are trying to lay on ground for your children to follow. I go walk here. I come away back home. Tell me the ye. I don't want you. You say it so that other people that is also coming up tomorrow will not copy from these people. These people are mentor to people. Yeah, my boss in your training. They should learn how to speak in public. They should learn how to speak in public. And not going to it's not in number, it's not in the who must he say it in that manner. The manner where she utter that word, must he say it in that manner. Let us be frank. Let us go into the details of how the whole scenario occur. Bros, Sanoma. Hey, I can't tell you what to do. Oh boy, I want to say Victor, they all the tunnel. All those women where they are to the club party. All those women, all those women where they are to the club party. Salam, the day was mass, you know what though?
My
Yeah,
brother,
where the was mass, you don't know the club party.
my brother, even the clapate ni mean, you don't have again atane adam yourself.
Then you pay a corner down, you want to contribute. Hello? I greet you. I greet you. You don't like video? Or at all? Okay. Down your way. Yeah. Okay. 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 Thank you. Our children, exactly, of the land. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Where's he? Where's he? Where's he? Okay. Okay. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Anyhow it be, you just let me know. You understand? Uh-huh. Okay. 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 No problem. No problem. Water. All right now. No water. No more water. Yari yari. All right. What I want to talk now, my brother. Water.
NC Papillon,
Mm-hmm.
NC Papillon, ni kema no water. Uwe ya fe nu we u kukono biele nu we la ri prove ni ma nu we vigweva nu we na vigweva yo to ugi we no na we clapate. Uga ti je prove ni ma we eme ya fe nu ta kemi no sunu nu muri social media na we mata. Uma me prove muri. Whatsoever you say in this social media is a lie.
What, my brother? No game to Lobwa. A clapate, you know, man. Now make women know. Don't be deceived. Why I give my egg, man? You understand? Why I give my deceived, man? Clapate, you know, it's an insult to women. Take it or leave it. It's an insult to women. If man tell him to himself, I'll say, bro, how far my to the clapate? Why I not say my prick the clapate? Why I not talk say my prick the clapate? My toto the clapate. That was disgraceful my coins. You don't ever see any man that talk say my prick the clapate. No, nah. Okay, imagine say my wife called me for phone. Say only half an hour. I say I do. Where you are wrong. What for what? Come on, let's do it now. Imagine la we pa. Yeah, but soon most of my la babe, I don't see my period. My period is rush. Mommy, where the pad? Oh, here the period is not rush. All who period the rush here. Not be women period they are totally rush period. But my woman don't even know what you know. Me say I not get money because if I fall out, I don't feel they wait me they buy me drink before I go enter back collect beer. Before I go order for drinks, order for what I want eat. You understand? Even though they want carry me come out. I was meeting me and Mela Jana even one another book. You get one a that zoo like Coswo. When celebrity like me. Then you guys say, bah, you do I expect the total. That was me after then you go me. You understand? I make one order. They also Shema, you live on Shema, no worry. Shema will deal with you no level. Relax. Shema will relax. Shema, you come down with bridge. Everything we need will bring and come. Yes, even go many out there. You understand? We make here Latin. If you buy the government that we I be chairman for one of Wizard Club. Then you are Latin. Yeah, I'm stressed. Never make. No, I don't do that. Not making sense. We don't know when you must prove that your leadership position. You must prove that he bless you where they are not blessing you after you don't prove yourself as a leader. Even we call you raw. You understand? Sometimes when I go to Africa shop, but they call person we get after you this shop. How they play every crowd they say no. I just come there. So that immediately at the land, even to the extent the man they come here and they come the shop. You do what? Oh yeah, you go bro, come now, boom flesh. Everything they will come. Men do not know no way. Alpha, why do they always come in the culture? Or wait, because anytime you step your foot, enter my shop, bam, crowd boss come here. Oh well, I don't see you carry that grace. It doesn't not be too like that. But one not come out, one not do the city again. You now you'll be like one can't see where you'll be like ghosts where they bring come. Once you come, for no type of breathe, people don't pack home. Either you they buy for people or they buy for you. I must say, you know, imagine just talking to run on the top of me. Because every time I'm not about me I didn't me. I get what you so what I'm vicar man on your table. You know when me in the shop, and you go say how much they see for the game. Oh bro, don't understand. Go the high. Would they here? I'm other go a boga. I'll go a boga go you want table na ni my wanyo. Making us know very negri. Eventually I'm afo over there. I the bunny. Only afo over there. And when I move my yama remudia, I just mudia. But you can't know what happened like 5 vehicles don't go down. You understand? How come they flashback? A brain. Now how can you imagine? We're not we are as an MC who they handle a massive show where we say they respect. If I tell you Papilla one of the for diaspora now, one of the MC where they respect, where they feel buy ticket for they go move on in flight ticket, in hotel ticket, everything, in accommodation, everything they go pay. And people go come down. Then you want to address issue like this? You they talk all this kind of word. Or will not be on me 7 or the point you dig when or we you still the clapati or we do anyway. A traditional man like you, bro, that was not clear. That matter not clear, bro. None of your fans will support you for that way you talk, bro. Not like you. Real Benin man not go support you. And then no tell him baba. Sorry to say, not an insult. Understand?
Mewa di clapate.
You know give a talk, my bola the clapate right now.
Where in a river, you know, say, you not make a mistake in it. And why we often want to do the mistake. That's it. When we so do a different day. Oh, yeah, I love you. One magugwa, where man, wrong, what I may wrong.
Oh, wrong.
Because uwe motoni ne. It's something that we have mama return. You know, away, having an uhe clapate, and in what they are, ito say, and then my Sandra was also now with Sandra not yet baying. In a way, and then now, they Sandra, where then no, ma, what's your now what they are, clapate.
God bless you, mama. Not be woman that talks. Not be woman that talks.
Yeah, not a clapate. Abu ne horo. God bless you. Uwe no gba meko we awie horo ai klapatena oni uwe no siwa mother son uwe amakpese no gwiami
mama ni bu klapate la imi ni bu wulo ne we ni gunwana ya pe di video ba ikwo ni bu ni kawe bu are Nigeria yan wu de doda
so ba gin akuteme.
Remember, I got the video. Accident don't kill them for Lagos Express Road. So that entire fire.
Over your way, lads.
They nick body okay. They nick video. No one nick video. Video like that.
No can't be ran there. Said the boy. You know me. I see the terrain.
Mama go make video okay. Cause see why I'm going. I'm na way. There's not soon Lagos Express Road. Do money carry body. In Nigeria.
But cancel no last year now. Okay, yeah, we covered last year, Umenwan.
Not last year, this one, just recently.
Because it was not last year.
Okay, last year, you matter the money. You go marry this one money the ground.
See their money.
See their money.
See their money. Wait for share everything.
You said me euro.
Their money now. We are going to Africa. Watch your video first.
Yeah, Timoto do via.
Eh na. Ambulance do akunya.
All these cars, so the fees not take trace out. We are for share.
Okay, last year ambulance mangunya na.
Na yo wanare. We have moto na tene. So ma gwe moto ya wa gwe moto kia. I will December this year. Umenwan.
Boy, ipoto
when Amatula de Obuse from Abuja, have no guess, trailer, and then a trailer hour with the way since December to this year.
December, I do video.
Hey, Frank.
Me the change.
When not here, and your parent it wa wurio wa ekenuna migo ya the ticket. Oge Kemari Nigeria. Also ponuze migo ya the ticket from Lagos or from Abuja for flight to your destination. It's very on your day important is essence. Women are the ticket from Lagos flight to Benin or to Abuja or anywhere. We waka wene. Because Odeni try and lock Odeni wa he try and lock. Ave driver ni we paragane na check. Yansi ashishine.
Oh, see, again, na jo when all those ni anodo amoma we fioni. Mabege, email bobelai. Iwa chata ya bet.
You know why this thing pay me? Eh?
Oh, I bet again my brother
last year, now the team review to me. Last year December, as I get the revelation, I do video. You know, anybody knowing the tickets in December, January, what change ticket to what change ticket to what a joke. But when I was Sagana, I tell you all the content non creates. But understand, and when we are I believe somebody see at this happen. He said to me, so Umenwan, Evinuta Osunu. I am a video na we na we Evinuta Osunu. That was the person watching and the person abroad here they. You get one waiting for UK. On the ticket to go in December. Or you watch a video on that Umenwan. You take the ticket in there. In a ticket office, when you change January. When December, when January. December, January,
market. The sagyon money, I see logo. Have a sagyon. We both Umenwan. Bonyo go both odo.
Yes, no, now.
Guy, tell wa pack you go are motorway why as well.
But when the understand, let me bust this code now. When we most of these drivers, in the buyo dorobo, in your better.
Yes.
Where imagine a driver not drive away. Oh, go to when company. A driver of motor way. Oh, go to when company. And when the man get a point in, on also call Bonnie, will tell you more things about this whole scenario.
Yes.
Now, a driver are the double. One motors will not me, this is Oka, or that way, or those on similar for adding.
Oh, one.
That car, no, that car. That car is a spiritual car. Una mi moto a Sienna, any car, any prophet car or public car. Iye na mo kayo da wore la moto ni. Iye na mo Ezuzu na ye kinegbe ame ya ukun white or brown. Iye na hang yo, we na hang gonna na as another air freshener hina. And I hang you moto with on. Don't enter that car. That car is Ezuzu is well cooked from the shrine. For the protection of that driver, a driver of motor. And almost to renew Ezuzu every year. The life of that man lies on that Oka. Imagine an accident, that driver will vanish.
Yes.
But when you are lower, but all you say again are renewing another year, more years. Oh, surprising! My boy, already careful motor helicopter now for the past 20 years. 80 years, but you might jump near you know go if you understand. Oh, I don't even way on a soon. Akwen, ikpekwe na ikpekwe mo. Oh, I have ya do canary or ya desuzuri. Ari ya webo. Ale ti how many days no hiagbe how many months no canary agbe or gbare I no do dori. Yeah yo. Hanga yi motor we. Anytime you are driving any car no hiafi, make sure we carry ore motor ni. If you look by sunu. If you look ya galo. You understand? Okay, ya ngofo udike de. No.
No. I must talk about the yagbira
yes. You understand? So these things has been done for years. Okay, now go to TJ. I know all those things where when I I said that I mean last month in December, I say we're actually ticket to work because I don't know who is going to have photo. In that time, media now. Yeah, joke. Yeah, wait Osaga or to wash out your who or so now. Yeah, quarrel. Now today, if you answer the government, ask the money Kewe Borio wa. They don't come down for Nigeria. From Lagos to Benin, brr. As the thing go wa.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, now. A document in a live Westmate. Document no been for many years. Okay, to me be. Osolobo pa no pass through we bona. Okay, team ye be. Ebe now is gone. Again better. Maybe you're somewhere in the power one year, or see the social, or see the nani. A mona, they don't see mommy again. Mama is gone.
Now wow.
So these are people they do things. They don't think. Yeah, think. If we marry one, a more good afternoon, or that thing for school, the school swimming, yeah, the tickets near the way, and it could be tea. Yeah, Bisagel Mayo. Also, no one of the year. I'm not a I don't understand.
Right. Mondial no tapa. We are more over when we move over now. Over who we bought the ticket. Or we are way end of year meeting. The Nigeria or the ticket are here.
Yo, when I'm here,
Ide mama ego. Then we accept that man is a useless man and he will ever be a useless man forever and ever. Oh, woni kere, Ki me komo my like country of it. I swear to God. I thank God the women very book over you.
I will like country of one in the gala.
Thank God the women very book over you. God forbid to. I be piano when we go your own or taken or do a kinisha or piano we go your own. Piano when we go your own or do a kini.
When we not see my brother, when we not see it. Osolobo negi bogbima. Osolobo negi bogbima. Iye be kunwari koni. Iya mo agbon. Iya ito. Because o ma isi okokedu agba okpia. Ikbe so ware wo na no bogbe. Naturally, ko wa ade no obo VB. And you know such men are always blessed with good women. Ikujare do ni. Osolobo yi ko ni maya bless yan. Now you can imagine Vedi Medina. You to tell you what, or how you are back. You hear rogi, you hear rogbolo, you hear your strength, light B, gas bill, water bill, all the bills goes to her. Nia women here travel area. Away total wadi. You go to the train tickets, you hear me. You go to like bossy, you hear me. You go to like taxi, you hear me. I'm not going to yak by warrior. You can yak by your worry. So it's a challenge for our men to start working, doing things for. I'm a wallet. I'm a wallet. I'm a go wallet. Or I'm a go wallet. Anything can be 6 o'clock. You understand? Oh, then I'm going to go wallet or take a wallet to at least I made a pa. Who will say wallet a water or say only I need €5. I want to give baby me take go school. Or I go and open the wallet, check the wallet. Maybe I get €5 coins there. Check on. Your wife go check your wallet, you go see €5 or €3. Ogboko do the you now respect you eh? Oh, we do care no here almost to time where we only giving here woman son eh she go nowhere. She go nowhere. Baba I there we bo right from Bogo okoni obi me wa. Church ni ga you. Mo tabo na me ye church ni. You don't even like church ni. Obi me ne. All night what are we in the night eh afa sit down for go nowhere. I'm not joking no. Hey, if I can no my deal okay. Hey. You know, you go nowhere. I'll get you now. You're a children coordinator at church. You're a children pastor. I know go on that. Boom, boom, boom. You know, okay, very good. Me back, me what you go to Yamaha. This is me a Yamaha. You go what? You go knock at we. Wake what he. And okay, right now, right. This is where the church is. Church, a pastor, no problem. Just go to church. In a colawa. In a quasi, you're we bedroom. In a say palo. Now say palo. I log it. Now pull a palo. Now we be a deroba roba. A tube now, a tube. And I there by tube, no Yamaha. Yamaha, we buy. Maybe my first luggage you Yamaha. Or what's the meaning of this? As you go church, all your property, you go there front of church. So that pastor go come marry you, Johnny wife. Pastor. Now very simple thing. Me and you don't get problem. I go just carry your property straight to pastor church. You come marry you, Johnny wife. Ogun Gbaze. I get like okay, I don't hear this one. Ashima. Why are you disgracing me? Why are you disgracing me?
When man we nati na. Ma be me do abi.
The when I see I'm honest and be.
Yeah, do abi na we vai.
Mama, I beg, make you help me talk to your brother. Your brother, they fuck up.
Ooh.
Okpewolo, they fuck up.
The no we una. Tamame,
that meter of Dallas.
I say we are mere gwani awe. We are not you know zanto pe o.
Asian people, they don't fuck up. They don't talk nonsense.
Let me tell you,
Frank. Mommy, I can no verse. So sorry, Frank. If you go know, let me tell you. You get what you talk. I go reason back.
He said no. He know they give them money.
And they come. That man, that they looking like Mumu. My brother, take it or leave it.
Not be Mumu.
And they come. They go condemn that man, Pastor Basekio. Go mark this thing. That man throw one word. He say, time they come, where all of them go begin the day against him. He say he's still ready. You understand me? So that man will be worse than Obaseki by the way of insult. The way they tell insult that man, he go worse past the way they tell insult Obaseki. Go mark this thing.
For that not to happen, you need to retrieve his step. You need to get boundaries. A wise man get boundaries.
Me talk and say the one who emitted go the waka up and or they do be or they do rob your people when
you see this media who this way, You see know this. You see this mommy where they so mommy be. Me I say my enemy don't insult our enemy for this media. But the get where I do and I retrieve my step back. And she's as an understanding woman, you know why I do that thing. She not even reasoner, you know, content. He take me as his son. Anything what happen now, why can they stand for me 247? I know how many places she don't stand for me, even for Nigeria. Not before Europe, for Nigeria. We say, you carry for Nigeria, say, no, I want this Zua, you call for Nigeria. one hand, you go say, oh, you know, wasi for Nigeria. She did now they talk. Now, you can imagine, you get people for this platform, for this social media with this all present. I get some over my dead body. I can never carry for call them or climb their platform or even give them one coin. You understand? No matter how you go watch rich. Then you see get people for this social media, no matter how Jesus Christ will come and say, maybe you are this person play. We can never play. My settle. I want to say my gui, but my set equal, we have boundaries. I get boundary with people to sustain my integrity as a man. Everyone here see kegbe. Everyone sort of no see kegbe. Us stay wunu for no yo.
Ediona, do see me.
You understand? When we work wa yeni. When it's a distance. Oh, what the distance in it? Oh my cannot even know ya yo. Oh, we work with you. And no one problem.
Umenwan, where worry. Okay, can we money or home my amber my is intelligent man. Oh no, do where no highway you be literate. Who got bells walking blah blah blah. Who will walk pebbles or ha man no de no do giving you no zo. One. Oh ha man what stack illiterate. Lareno do giving is stack illiterate you. Who were one him also on in a where he knows say people will soon start to the insult because you know they share money. Any your time I know there. I been there. Or when nobody go insult you, even though you not share money, you are working. Or where a meter or so waban or robi ye makie. Also now with time where he know say they will soon they insult me because I know they share money. Who were where one? Oh, I mean, a meter too. You get. I know.
That's me. I will shock. See, no, no, people you say, my brother, don't be smart you. People the verse for that. This guy every time we carry comes, people the verse.
I know now. I know.
Even my club, say here.
Only now why you where I do this. Oh yeah, they daughter man. Emite I'm a cake benia. Emite no mudia show with it or not betrayal show with it or mudia kabasaka betrayal or mudia
maybe on next table.
Now. When even time there any wa beg first time na wa review. You know we emite we yesema. Who mudia for pa? Well, we have politics, no. Well, politics will say an Arabian. Why do you man?
Apart from say, Abbas go through Manto Palace. Abbas is still the best politicians on Benin Sabah space.
But Camano Arabian, because of Arabian Pebble. Or no Arabian here.
No, Mama, don't say that. Mama, Abbas or Arabian Pebble, opposition Batty.
Yeah, no, not of your pebble.
Where I left from what Abbas is saying.
Oh, me can where Abbas or Robinson here. Where me make Abbas. Oh, you. Oh, me no Robinson as a peba magbele if you quay a lobo con lobo.
That one a mugu. That one a mugu. You cannot insult all Asian. You know why? Mama, I'll tell you. Asian people they give her information.
That one not for time. When the one when they not give up work now, ain't go to talk now.
Like as it day now, what they saw for Uromi? Who they give her? How you I know what I don't do it for Uromi.
And now because people, you know, say people when they are suicide now, maybe now they go to give her information. No.
Now see if he insult Asian, I'm saying all those people are stupid. You don't understand? You see the way I did
no, but if they say some, we be moving yo. Because me I can't very be man. So they were some people. I don't know.
If you do no we should go. You understand? Oh, you know not say full banner. Or not see me ban. Oh yeah, this all this Cameroonians, the Germany, no matter Oviedo. Oviedo Cameroon no, but Omar Oviedo Mari. Oviedo bien.
Yeah, don't let me.
Oviedo in the put pepper for the woman eye. You understand? Based on how you're going. So as this woman says, me I stand for truth. The woman they diagnose every information about how the man they misbehave, everything of a yagume. You understand? So they had to expose now where a woman of your gume.
Oh,
You know, on Cameroon that misbehave. Being here all Cameroon no, yet all Cameroon because in Cameroon of information give me.
yeah.
You got the whole way all Cameroon the big way that means you the bar. You understand? Automatically Odani Queen. You understand? So also once they want anybody no critical to when we are going. And we but mama you talk rubbish. But at the end, when they get sense way back, you try as much as possible to control a content
that
place. No, we're on it. So that the people that was angry with you, they want to say, okay, we don't understand. Oh, this guy, they verse that time. The verse. Obviously, no damn. But so me wa provoke the was guy. Oh, good kill now. Oh, what bell? I watch this one, you know. But the time my brother will come down, say some. You understand? Not our shower, some. The was guy. Again, I really
understand that one now. Who am more money? Oh, you will know there. I'm kidding me. Why? I came me. TikTok number muwe odoku. You know what can you contribute? You know where a boy ni na no obvious agere la. You know where iya no igwa we gwane. Papa re wa odoku gbo pa kokogbo. E palace we wa gbo. You know we na mi yi. Wa gyo ma gun wa we gwa wa we e wa ma gwa mekiri. Ona was Igwage, you know, I will be a can get out from my sight.
The truth is that the truth will remain the same. Even the book don't have sense. A lot of people don't come and say, Umenwan, Okbaika, it is sponsor all those Asian people, then they throw them to the palace. When we see the woman now, oh, you people where, are you mad?
Domino Cassie will say that.
Man, Mama, I don't come here gay. And let me tell you, when you ain't man. One on the platform, yeah.
No, they are not well. Egg never quite in a mock. Face. Ave Yorega Mogagbina Hagbina. Merek been an air do Arab Yome. Mena go yes, I guaya in our one. None of me make one year go yes, I was a man of Guaya. What my way may over to near Guaya. Then where we are Timepa.
As a year, once I believe in my life. Very maybe you social media, it was a little boy life in me. A connection even me, 11 maybe, then I will 12 to nobody. Merado. 11 maybe. I mean, I say thank God for my life. But when you saw the saga, I still get this kind of level.
Where are we no level? Oh, what me now level? You know now. Oh, what me? Oh, but me I call them up. Where swag again?
Yes, now. Ija. You do again. You do my eye now. Not say shoot bed. You do my eye. Not say that. Not say about mass.
Oh, say I go.
What a 5 minutes in me. You make control. I think we matter with daddy matter I forgot any. That's the end. You understand? Social media now. If you do live, you talk truth. Not on matter.
Yes.
Everyone they will back on him. Even you know worry.
Yes.
All over they wash.
Yeah.
You not matter. You gonna go moment you wa. You gonna go and say. You understand? They know me to sit down and watch and pick sense. Oh, matter area. You understand? Oh, I must have made go on the wegwa here. What be looking again me pitching.
Echo Bia.
Unless you wake me from a gua.
Umenwan lucky where Melman no papa. Many are been dear man.
You were having. Yeah, we are you were having. You from a gua. You know, you near where I do with having. We a guaya curry. You understand? Yeah, guaya curry. Even now, we're Umenwan. You understand? I define them. Oh, I'm lucky the life of where Imam Muwa. You got any other chief, any stupid chief. Knock back book or whack or egg whack, but on audio where me. Ya know where oh wait when I will remember. Ya remember if you no get gua or say bono bedu. Oh, what here I'm lucky. Imam Muwa, ya chief in. I have ban or I do nobody. Ya make. I will use my last card to make sure they naked you. if you do more than live do. Because when you measure, I don't know, if you want tasse, no tasse,
Yes, now.
you understand? You cannot be big. I'm not so stupid. Every man not be me. Talk go back. Maurice, you know.
Oh, mama,
Or you sagwe, not your gehana, they go. Or you sagwe, not your gehana, they go. From his Zakagbo, then you will ask to solo. If or less what I plan. Why chief? What dress when I chief? Are you with me? And you on what I want is a useless man. Or Timmy or one make beg yen. Because I thought you know daweji. Or do why you do what the boy work. As I have 120 when a chief in Uki, no sweaty when no time away, they can carry anywhere almost so swing. Or say that it's a useless man. Oh, one lock. Wow, be I say, well, better not see. Who can go wrong a Kubegua? Who are my first year of a ravage? I will not carry. My first cigar red do, Mosewe Eguawe, my first red do. Menume when I say Eguawe, and my first red do. Yage, amazing, only a water. No, it was the first person or stone out of Yagua. Or red do in a guana, or do a beragije. Why are going go anua for the past 4 days? Okay, what video customer meze? A meze, no out of here, nobody do. You are kept mute. In not give address, okay? The number first second secular and Nekmenekwe Street. Opposite Maguero College, Maguero Fence. None of the chiefs now when you give a river Yamezi. What Guaro Yagua? Yaga, a boy Naganyat, this man is a panyat. Pedro, our bad, do I talk, pay? Then the Benin want to go and humiliate that man. I want to watch Bono Bobedo or where do not buy it. If you don't, Agunubuanua. Agunubuan when I soon go in the Roa. Why don't you say, Tony Kabaka? Oh, yeah. Mama, you know, Mama, when you go sleep, when you leave the platform. Me, I really thought of these people. Useless people, Bini. Tony Kabaka. Kapwe, why are you? A water, a mess, a water, the number you know, a better year, 112 years. Womati amwe. The innocent people, you go up and pick them, humiliating them. Ameze also was the first person who started humiliating the palace before my face. Do a man in Kamwana. It time from right from day one. In our rhyme of in law. Now people they back people up. Ameze is going to collect sense this one. Woman arrest Ameze. What no that you know. Woman Ameze. Aria Gua. Ameze and start the first person who started the humiliate Benin. Go picture like that. Sharply make bibi policean. Woman ya arrest Ameze. Wa asungu. Unless people want to go arrest Ameze and video it for the whole world to know where. This is amazing. Amazing, ahin. On a water. On a water. Otian Nisco. Ogiame. Now, let me read. You guys, you know where I'm heading to. The family of where this guy is coming from. Where he started sorting the palace. This idiot, not taking away a chief here. Okay, so this chief namuna, chief now. I'm coming out for this guy. Amazing. Get ready for Umenwan totally. Your story is gonna go viral now. As already on your case. If you don't know, make you know now. I don't know your matter 247. Go to YG, go to DSS, go to all kind of force all over the world. Umenwan is ready for you 247. I'm going to mess you up. I'm going to disgrace you. If you're here, take this word today. If you're not, because I will never. Yes. You know, and I know. Ameze Ogun Ogbera. Ogun Ogbera Ibaira. There's a video we'll play about Ameze for you people. Hey, Baba with a smile. Always said, I said this year go raw. This year, it go raw. The whole world, not only the Benin, the whole world now go know of this man. Not just only Benin. The whole world go know of Amazing. Where they call itself water. Let me read. I want to read. When I listen, you know, when I calm down, piano. According to Italo. Voila. Frankie. Yeah, but a proving of going Amazing. The whole world know you are the enemy of the Benin Kingdom. You are the first enemy of the Benin Kingdom. The whole world knew. And you run. When you become the enemy of the kingdom, the Benin's went to your father's house. They went to your mother's house to drag your mother. When I with him of face, that was what happened to your mom. You remember. So have it in mind, you are already the enemy of the Benin. For you to trauma to the king of Edo State, you will collect. Now listen. Well done, how? Now this is the mother. I get a lot of Baba. No go pull handle. And when the mother is ready, this is the mother of water. In 112 years. Now let me read you. The family of what's it? Let's go down. The family of what are we how you do? Adagbonyi of Isiemeru and Uriri or 7 there. What are we how? A family like now or 7 there community Ikboba Oka local government Edo State kindly invite friends and family well wishers now to their beloved back. This is a grandmother and great grandmother. Let's go down. Small. Me ko asi. No. Omadeyo. The phone aji. The phone down. The phone be life na waji. Every yaji. Now, what down here? Okay, no. He say, call to glory to their beloved sister. The family of Edoba Waye. Now listen, this is the family of this idiot. The family we are just for the mama side. Now this muggle water. Edoba Waye. Evian family, Evian Ogiamien, and Olia royal dynasty of Utatan. Kingdom, Benin City, Igodo. This is the family that started with the palace. Evian and Ogiamien. They are the family fighting the palace right now as we speak. They are the one that thinks, oh, and they're supposed to be their king. They fight palace, thought and name. As we speak, Oba went there for courts, which is Arisco. Arisco brother, name is this one. Hey, what down here at the con? Okay. Now, you're going to walk down here. Let's go there. We are the men. I mean, we joke. Yeah, we are to a water. Man, at a Frank or say, wow, I say, Frank, you will not tell me. Get it, put it now. I'm going to be exposing you with proof. Me, I don't have time for nonsense. Now, here, this is New Year. I'm not here to give you guys information that's not legit or false information. No. I've built my name, I've built my platform legitly in stand with integrity. So you see this man, we did my back so the enemy of the Benin Kingdom. Water, now when you're in water, a meze. You understand? In sister, this is a meze sister. So I think I should do that on my YouTube channel. I think I should do that video on my YouTube channel. Yes. I'm gonna do that video on my YouTube, and I want that video to go viral. Because Asaboro exposed our sister's death. That woman died for this social media. A lot of people don't know what to kill that woman for this social media. That woman died on a live screen. Yes. There's a woman that died on a live screen while she was dancing, enjoying herself in a party. She's a chubby woman. She get body, she get breast, she get yash. She don't have shotgun. Designed with blue, white, something like that. Many of them get the video from her phone. That video go viral like crazy. She was just dancing. She was just dancing. Immediately she snubbed and died. That was the end. 9 junior brother with this. That video will be played on my YouTube channel. I will play that video on my YouTube channel. Have it in mind. I will play that video on my YouTube channel. I will not tell you guys what it by that woman. Not be everybody will die. We're not going to cry for. Ekpe spanner. That your longest. That will not be longest. It should be longestica. Ekpe spanner. I'm not sure saying Ekpe spanner they talk so. You Ekpe spanner, you be this one. First of all, you want to give me money gun first. Me, I don't say you. Ekpe spanner from Facebook. From Umenwan. Now you be this. Ekpe Alpha. What is up? Longest time. He's hello, boy. Where else you reach? Don't go to like that now 22 or that. You should be still 22 now. Should be still 22 now. Ekpe, you still did this life. Ekpe spina. When I be too like that, which be the other person name? I don't want to see two of my girl. Uselu King. Ekpe spina and Uselu King. Uselu King. Yes, now. Confirm. Ekpe spina, Uselu King. Afa, what did they saw? Long time. You don't tell Afa, Selogbe. What's you don't tell. My baby mama, what's the level? You didn't enjoy that. Thank God I don't hear your voice. I don't really see your comments. You are safe. Because many people don't many don't know they angry you. Baby mama, Afa, and I was 11. Anything for your guy, anything for your husband. Guy, I didn't boy. Woman, I'm going to gift you for say boy. Oh God, you collect, don't be joking. We are collect with me. Baby mama, why don't you make cover no be baby mama, that is severe yo. Afa, what they saw? Hey, Oboro, yeah, you where you come? If you Afa, what did they happen? You chop. Who give you soap with a bath? All these women are the fear now. What did they saw? Say the kind massive hotel where you go build codedly. If you we are amigo, we are single. How money may be we are single now. What's your problem? If you wait for see money, hey God. So we may get money for Europe. In why are single codedly matter man. Why if you dead man? We have to back your back. If you La we are the Borok we are saying. Oh, so we are saying. The warrior whatever Nigeria. Here you plastic boa, way fresh. Hey, I'm we're planning. Hey, big man, whatever. Hey, boy, no, we are saga, eh.
Baby Papa, no God.
Help
That be your baby I use. Now soap and take bath.
If I catch you with bar, I go to beat you. Afana.
Which way?
I did.
Everywhere clear. Everywhere clear, coast clear. Nothing there. Every rock by so that coast is clear.
Am I arrested?
Hey, yeah, police station back Guarana. Hey, station back Guarana.
Okay.
Don't move it.
Okay, over. You are not in the prison right now. You are coming for the prison. Over. I said now.
I just I relax.
Congratulations. What?
I'll call you later.
What? Maybe I give you a chance. Too much. One love.
Give me a location.
I will lie. If you're not guy. She just opened a apartment and hotel, you know. That was last week's Sunday. Today make it a week now, right? Yeah. They make it a week, you know. May God bless her, God strengthen her. You get a see for those of them when they go to Nigeria, want to lodge, want to relax yourself, very portable, very pocket one. I want to understand. If you do gaga for social media, they are real better thing. Now so it be all these presenters where they do for social media, they get level. Now all this on they move for themselves. They don't know what they don't know some money they media. Some they get and clear. They use and do better thing. You understand? And the Murphy way be say they talk for social media. You be president, you not get hotel. See people where enter social media, they don't get hotel, don't get apartments. Now go play. Alpha, I'm gonna clap for them. I'm gonna clap for every you go bazen for national peace to real. I'm gonna clap for them again. No for real. If woman they try, no they prison. Okuna here, have a bonnet here. I open my you try. Yeah, well, my easy. But Okuna here, even Yama, when I wear, I will born now. But they power attack for this broker because this broker go long. Now go collect many sense for it. Nonsense. Don't be joke. We they go small, one by one. Now water matter with this. After water, we go enter inside river. Hey God, double play. Mute, and then see the power tap. As the power tap, you mute yourself. As the power tap, you go mute because as you the power tap, they make noise for the life. You go mute so that you the power tap. You matter to go. When they share the video.
What time I say now hotel?
Now man, you be even give you chance. Aruba correct man. Everywhere good. So what they were. You understand? Now, you see this Ogionpa, and they do this video straight to Tori and his squad. This guy have to be brought to palace. Again, ask him face. Mr. Tori Kabaka. Then we are gwale of face yagani. Oh no, or what's my face? On a sponsor of Ogionpa the Lewebo. He was the first person to call you no get what. This is the sponsor of the enemy of the Benin Kingdom. The people on social media constituting nuisance, throwing man to the palace. This man who called himself Water, this useless man, whereby the father was being killed by a customer who came to buy kind alcohol for his papa hand, for his outside. Ogbongbera. Then social media not the rain. It was on ITV carrying. ITV took that news of his own father's death. How car crushed in papa for your side. Now how it happen? If father and his mama they say can kind for our side. The man park with the automatic car. He come back kind. After he buy finish, the man in his house. In fact, I can't serve the man, customer, regular customer, they know. As he serve the man finish, the man not months now for a power side. He can't enter his car. He don't know so the car when enter. Instead of when you go put up for arrow, which is reverse. Because the front face a pass front. As he pass it down for outside with bench. For the man to put up for arrow, the man put up for D. D now drive. Now the man fire motor. Zoom. Now so the car take it part from outside. Use a whip wall. Bam. A part body pieces. They tie a part for cellophane. Carry go mortuary. Agbalo ye lie long. Moire mortuary. Imoto the all grand egg in the wall. A customer road down your ibera. A man. A ran wa bio. On no down your nera here na. No he can kind of. Or you moto be. Oguna wa gbera yibaoge. Ogun gbera. Ogun gbere wota yibaoge. No we are chief. Iana Kolan. Aboli here na Kolan yana mo chief in the man. The real person is still on enzyme. We never see the person now. This man, Papa, the real person was supposed to get this crown. His father, that is senior. The my father. After the my father finish, this according to the information, this map. So if the man will get this crown when we are so, now be the only charge of when your mother that gather maso mama born for this family. Omuk walk bara biye yek bena. Avec beni owa. Yana de bebo na because on anego e jemio yi. Yana de bebo na yana so akwo ne kirikian. Yana so akwo no jokian. O wana bere rianji. Na berere that small one ji. According to the news I heard, I find details about him. I want to get videos. This man never know Umenwan. Oh, we are sorry. Oh, one year family when you have video here, I will bring them on media. Now me talking social media king. You are dealing with the king. Who can allow the media? The only way that will save you from my hand. Water, listen and listen good. The only thing will save my hand. You go call me on my live broadcast or indoor. OIT, you will come and explain yourself. After you go to palace and explain yourself to the palace before you call me. But when I try now, because you are enemy of the Benin's. Oh, you're bowing. We are and we don't see when I feel no get what you know where I hold I take it over here. If you send of your who are you know where I'm the reason why you are insulting the palace. The reason why you are insulting the palace. You go and tell the palace and make sure the thing is on camera. The whole world will see it. Then you cannot call me. We can talk. If no you go where Akian in fan when in ya bowen, you don't have problem with me. If palace don't tell you say they go, you are our son. Off work, put it on video. If possible, send me the video. Anyway, yeah, you we don't have problem because now we see you are dodging to bury your mother. Who are dodging bury you? Today you are going to church. You think I don't know? I know all these things, you know. I've read it out. Then you cannot give me a call. Then we'll talk. Me, when you see so, I fear no bloody idiots. They don't bother about the way for abroad where I go fear. No talk of iye-eki or by the good when they chop bread for Nigeria. If you use 1 million to cover their mouths. Maybe you what the fear the respect. Come, you not get sense. Umenwan. I will use you. I'll mess you up, I'm going to frustrate you. Assassin your mother come at social media. You can frustrate you until you do the right thing and have the right senses. Water. You know what to kill your pa. You know the evil way your pa don't do to people, children. I'll bring your pastor to command. Your mother using her hand kill all your children, chop. Your mama, you use her hand buy all her children, chop. You know now? Now you want to make for our children. It go shock you. Okay now. Let's go there. I hear you wagayo. Oh, Udazi. Hey Frankie. Oh, mon no. Frank commence à give me dodo. Give me dodo rime. Oh, dodo no. Give me dodo. Dodo. What? Cover no. If I do on the horse like this, no, it's so raw. I like my spanner. Are you see there? My mom give to me. Oh, my sauce. Angela, I know your boss. Why you na? C'est le bé. Doric moi. Et là aussi. Carole non.
Don't my king.
Dorevi, domo le vai.
I wait baba. Are you lona no na me can you me ya?
Oh.
Ao, what's no na?
E wale Beckham.
Okay, okay, good tell. I'm going for the. Okay. Can you name where you man? Man, I go no there.
God bless you.
Domo. I dey follow you now. I can really like because you are one itire.
Yeah, over so that.
Domo. That's my king. You gbe.
Is it boli gidi ni ya ko bi ya o ke gbe.
Ire wa no. What do you mean? Ugege ya awulo yuto. Enu ri emi na eso apata bibi kan mu yan. Apata bibi. Dama. Oh God.
Ege wala di bi ya gbe yan wa.
Igbe wa go be. Baba wa la ne. O mi ali we discuss. One run so paro. Ni ali we discuss nu gume report by.
Okay.
I call you we.
No wala.
Abeti baba. Domo.
Okay. E wala yan mi go ya gbe won. E bye ko na. Na ba ito mo bye o ku e wona o ku wa no ku e. Then na mo re no ma o ku wa sis no dia de o ku e. No me na ka.
Where get we wa mo se baba. Where ti e manu ya oge we no we wa mo se we wa
no bi e. Le suya. Me i ka wa vie yin ati ko no wala wa ke kukuba ndi kukuba. E wa ge kukuba to bi me wa gbe kukuba so wa ne gba.
Baba.
You know, suya gba, suya. Ram suya. Oh boy.
Bere.
Ram suya gba, yam vieux que demande yam vieux conversia. Et nous converser mais yefia na ma yefia fo.
Ici hein. Et nous converser avec ça. Ni ana hosi. Na re mi yoro. Baba ki.
E presenta get it raw. Ito yo, get it raw.
Ouais, il m'y a il s'agit de ton côté, mais because s'agit de ton côté, on est s'agit de ton, mais social media, on est s'agit de capable de ton.
You get it wrong, my brother. Oh, okay, Emma.
On est s'agit de ton, mais social media, ok, oui, mais
Emma.
Oh, gâteau.
You say one-on-one, one-on-one combat, eh? If not CBC, I dey control my temper. Listen, I don't really make any. Man, I say, yeah,
No be lie.
video me, video me. Am I video me? I been one day. Understand? Bro, I dey fight oh. Me fight oh. This video with this bro with the trouble oh. No go play with the Scala club oh. Just that am I they don't feel camera. Because here I get the brand yasuen. I get the brand yasuen. Yeah. Understand? Because you can assume I listen to man. That's it. Hello?
No be.
I was here. I get the brand boss big. If I can't make camera, listen to money. Everybody else do lucky. Afa yare kwa kiyan. You know. I'm friends with brain. One of the which no ga. Like my spawner. Yeah. And that's what we put out. Yeah, I don't know.